Welcome to AI World TV, your go-to destination for everything artificial intelligence. Discover the captivating landscape of AI, where advanced technology finds real-life application. Subscribe to AI World TV for webzine articles, reports, podcasts, videos, live events, and latest trends. Hear from top industry leaders and discover how AI is transforming industries and our daily lives.
It's genuinely fascinating how quickly AI has gone from being this sci-fi thing to something we bump into every day.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, think about it, right? Making an image with Midjourney, or getting help writing something from ChatGPT, even just sorting out workflows in Notion.
It's becoming really common.
Exactly.
It really is a huge shift. And that's why we wanted to zoom in on this thing that AI World Journal is doing.
Oh, yeah.
They've put out a survey, and it's trying to get at something pretty fundamental. What bits of AI are really, grabbing people's interest right now?
Okay.
And also, what tools are they actually using day to day?
Right. So less about the abstract future and more about the lived experience now.
Precisely.
What excites you, the listener, navigating all this change, and what tools are, actually helping you out?
Yeah. And what's really interesting about the survey is how it zeroes in on that interaction, that user feeling. It's trying to capture the enthusiasm and the practical side, but from the viewpoint of the people actually doing it.
Okay, so let's dive into the details then. What exactly is the AI World Journal asking? What are the core questions here?
Well, it basically boils down to two main things. First, they ask, what excites you the most about AI?
Okay.
And they give you options, a whole range covering, the potential, creativity, automating tasks, personalized recommendations, smart assistants.
Usual suspects, kind of.
Sort of, yeah, but comprehensive. Also, AI in healthcare or science and AI in business and productivity covers a lot of ground.
It does give a pretty good map of where the buzz is, yeah.
Right.
And the second question, that's about the tools.
Exactly. That one asks, which AI tools are shaping your daily world? And it specifically mentions the big ones we know, like ChatGPT and Claude. But it's also looking for what's emerging. New tools maybe in video or coding help, design, voice tech, that sort of thing.
That makes sense. A two-part approach. Because I guess you could be really excited about AI in science, maybe, but not actually use any specific science AI tools yet.
Exactly right. It lets them see both the aspirational side, what people are excited about, and the current practical use.
What's actually happening on the ground.
Yeah. And the motivations behind this, why the AI World Media Group decided to do this survey, that's pretty interesting too.
Oh, tell me more. What's the bigger picture for them?
Well, their goals seem quite broad, actually. They want to gather and share real stories, how individuals are fitting AI into their lives.
Real examples.
Right. And they're also hoping to build up this kind of global picture of AI trends.
Global map.
Wow. Yeah, like which tools are getting popular where, maybe what concerns people have in different places.
That could be really revealing. You might see different patterns, different needs.
For sure. Maybe uncover uses nobody expected, or maybe areas where the tech isn't quite meeting what people want yet.
Okay.
And they also plan to feature some of the responses they get across their different channels, their newsletter, their podcast, the journal itself.
Ah, so it's not just data gathering. They want to feed it back into the conversation.
Absolutely. It seems they're aiming to spark a more informed discussion about the practical uses, the creative angles, even the ethical stuff that comes up with AI.
Right.
And that's really where you, the listener, come in. Because by taking part in something like this...
You're not just a number.
Exactly. You're not just a data point. You're actually sort of helping shape how we understand AI's impact collectively.
It feels a bit like being a co-creator of the narrative. Almost.
Yeah.
Based on what's actually happening.
I think a good way to put it. And the survey itself, they've made it pretty straightforward.
Easy to do.
Yeah, you can pick up to 2 areas that excite you most from those 6 categories we mentioned earlier.
Creativity, automation, personalization.
Smart assistants, AI in health science, and AI in business productivity.
Yep. Letting you pick 2 is smart.
Yeah.
People's interests aren't usually just one thing, are they? Especially with AI.
No, exactly. It reflects how multifaceted this tech really is. And importantly, there's also an option in the survey where you can say if you're okay with them featuring your insights in their future content.
Oh, interesting. So you could end up on their podcast, maybe.
Potentially, yeah. If you've got a compelling story about how you're using AI or what you think about it, it's a chance to share that more widely.
That's pretty cool for people who are really engaged with this stuff.
It is, and it ties back to what the AI World Media Group says they believe in, that AI should be, quote, inclusive, creative.
You are listening to the AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
And deeply human. So this survey, it feels like a direct way of living that out. They're actively trying to get lots of different viewpoints to make sure AI evolves in a way that's, connected to real human experiences and values.
Keeping the human element front and center, not just the algorithms.
Exactly. It's about how this powerful tech actually interacts with people, how it serves us, rather than just being like an abstract capability.
Makes sense.
So yeah, they're really inviting everyone, whether you're an artist playing with AI image tools, a coder using an AI assistant, or even if you're just sort of curious about it all.
Share your thoughts.
Right. They want to know what inspires you, maybe what worries you a bit, and yeah, what tools are now part of your everyday kit.
Okay, so the main message here is basically the AI World Journal wants to hear from you. Take the survey, share your perspective.
That's the core of it, yes. They're encouraging everyone to take a few minutes, fill it out, add your voice to the mix, and be part of shaping this ongoing AI story.
Moving from just watching it happen to actually engaging with it.
Precisely. Informed engagement.
Got it. So, just to wrap that part up.
Yeah.
The AI World Journal survey is really trying to get a handle on how people are experiencing AI right now.
Yep.
What's sparking excitement and which actual tools are becoming indispensable in daily life.
Spot on. And those 6 areas they highlighted: creativity, automation, personalization, assistance, health science, business productivity. They're a really useful way to think about it all, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
It kind of prompts you, the listener, to pause and think, okay, which of those really clicks with me? What's my angle on this?
Definitely. And, thinking about how fast all this is moving, how integrated AI is becoming, like this survey is trying to capture, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Given this speed, this weaving of AI into our lives, what aspects of our existence, things we maybe can't even properly imagine yet, might be totally transformed by these technologies, maybe sooner than we think.
That is quite a thought to chew on.
Definitely something to mull over.
The future of artificial intelligence is unfolding, and it's happening at AI World Week, the flagship global event for innovation, collaboration, and transformation. This flagship global AI event is designed to connect visionary leaders, trailblazing entrepreneurs, and influential thinkers to explore the endless possibilities of AI. Experience groundbreaking technology that redefines industries and inspires progress. Join thought-provoking discussions on ethical AI, digital equity, and the transformative role of technology in our world. Build meaningful connections that catalyze innovation and drive impact. AI World Week is powered by AI World Society, a global movement dedicated to advancing AI responsibly and ensuring it serves humanity. Together, we're shaping a smarter, more inclusive, and equitable future. Continue your journey beyond the event with the AI World Journal, offering expert insights, in-depth analysis, and the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. This is your opportunity to lead, to innovate, and to transform the world with AI. AI World Week. We invite you to join us and embrace the AI revolution.